Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how to factory reset Windows 10. Before going further, please be sure that this new feature is only for Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. So let's get started. Click on Start menu, go to Settings, go to Update and Security. Now on the left side there is option Recovery. Click on that. In Recovery there is option Reset this PC. Click on Get Started. Now there are two options. Keep my files, remove everything. I will go with remove everything. Now if you want to still own this PC, then this option is good for you. Click next. It's up to you. Or if you want to completely remove everything from the computer, like completely remove all the programs, all the installed applications, files, your documents, photos, videos, then click change settings. Now there is the option data eraser, data drivers. Just remove your files. You need to turn on. When you turn on, this will remove everything. Remove files and clean the drive. This will remove everything from the computer. And when you turn on data drives, it will clean all the drives from your machine, like C, D, E. If you have drives in your machine, it will remove everything from the computer. Then click confirm. Now again click next. When you click next, after that your PC will be started to factory reset. So that's how you can do factory reset in Windows 10 and completely remove everything. It will take a couple of hours, and when your machine will be on, after that every settings, every files and every application will be wiped out from the computer and it will be turned on like a factory reset. So that's how you can do factory reset on Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.